Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Sam Fender here again on this channel for all you Fender fans. So this one is called Leave Fast, a beautiful song. Nothing to do with fast here in this song, very calm and easy and beautiful. So let's start with this one. Set the capo here on the first fret and we'll take away from here. We have 6 different chords to learn. So the first one will be C. Okay, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so next will be A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Alright, then we have the G sharp. Up here, you need to bar the 4th fret, all strings, and the rest will be 6th on A, 6th on D string, and 5th on the G. Okay, so we're moving down to the 3rd fret here. We find the G minor. Okay, so you bar all strings here on the 3rd fret, and the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. Okay, we're going down here to the 1st fret. You bar all strings there, and we will play an F here. So all strings on the 1st fret barred, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's F. And the final chord will be an F minor. So you just release here the 2nd on G string. Everything else is the same, so that gives you a bar still here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A and 3rd on D, and that's the F minor. Alright, so these 6 chords is what we need. So before we start this song here, we need to look at the strumming pattern, and this one is a bit irregular sometimes, but sorry. Mostly it will be played like this. I can show you with a C chord. That is the 1st chord, so we'll illustrate with C. So it will sound like this. Alright, so it will be down, down, then down, up. Now we can stop there. So first down, down, and a short break, and then down, up. Down, 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 up. Okay, and the next part will be up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so up, down, up, up, down, up. Up, down, up, up, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts here, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Again. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. That is 1 round. And you will play 1 round for each chord we're going through here in this song. And it will be the same strumming pattern through the entire song. So pretty easy. Now it's just for us to know the chords for each and every part. So let's start with the first verse. We have 1 chord progression here that will be played for 2 rounds. And the chords will be C, then A minor, then G sharp, then G minor, and then F. And that is 1 round. And you will play that round for that chord progression for 2 rounds for this verse here. So C to A minor, to G sharp, to G minor, and finally to F. This you play for 2 rounds, and that is the verse. Next comes the chorus in the lyrics, leave fast or stay forever. Okay, so this one you will continue the same way of playing here, same strumming, and only 1 strumming round for each chord. And let's look at the chords. You will play the F minor to C, and back to F minor, and C again. So 2 rounds of F minor and C, and F minor again, then G minor, and then finally F. Alright, so that is the chorus. So just to repeat these chords, we had F minor to C, F minor to C again, so 2 times. And then on the 3rd time, we have F minor, G minor, and back to F. And that is the chorus. All right, then comes the second verse here. It's played in the same way as you play the first verse. And the same goes with the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And this chorus ends with an F, of course. And after this final chorus, there's just an instrumental part. And we have some chords here to look at. And they will be pretty much the same as, you can say, the verse here, okay? But it will start with an A minor instead. So the verse starts with C. But this one starts from the A minor, which is the 2nd chord here in the verse. So it starts with A minor, and the rest goes in the same way as the verse. So it goes from A minor to G sharp, to G minor, to F, F minor, and it ends on C. So you see the loop goes from A minor to C instead of C to F minor, all right? If you understand that, if it makes sense. So the chord progression, A minor, G sharp, G minor, F, F minor, and C. You play that for 2 rounds, and it ends on the C, last C, the 2nd C, only 1 down like this. Beautiful. And that pretty much covers this cool song from Sam Fender called Leave Fast. So another beautiful song from him, and I believe there are coming more on this channel because we love Sam Fender here. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know, thumb up, and see you soon. And don't forget, play tuned.